have a great career. Yes, you should, and you could. Only one thing stops you, dear. You're too good, far too good. If you want a future, darling, why don't you get a pass? For that fatal moment's coming at last. We're all alone, no chaperone can get our number. The world's in slumber, let's misbehave. There's something wild about you, child, that's so contagious. Let's be outrageous, let's misbehave. When Adam won his hand, he couldn't stand for teasing. He didn't care about those apples out of season. They say that bears have love affairs and even camels. We're merely mammals, let's misbehave. Getting late, and while I wait, my poor heart aches on. Why keep the brakes on? Let's misbehave. Now listen, hon, a little fun would be attractive. While we're still active, let's misbehave. You know my heart is true, and you say you for me care. Someone is sure to tell, but what the heck do we care? They say that spring means just one thing to little lovebirds. We're not above birds, let's misbehave.
I curse the day I bought that phonograph for you, my dear. For there are times I swear that it's alive. I chase at night the whispering from the music room so clear that I'm mocked with silent scorn when I arrive. I try to play Caruso, but the needle skips the groove, while Calypso and Ravel keep coming back. And there beside that damned machine you lie and never move. I'm cuckolded by metal and shellac. It comes to me in dreams and it declares I'm Joan of Arc. You can burn me, but I've power from above. But I fear it's not a dream and you'll be swallowed in its darkness. It will one day speak your words for you, my love. I tried to throw it out, but back again the trash men came. They were ashen white, like they'd seen Father Death. And they told me that it cried aloud and spoke to them by name. So they returned it, ran and prayed under their breath. And every night I long to coax you from that phonograph, but it's drained the appetites I once fulfilled. Its gaping mouth obscene and wide, turns every tune to laughter, and its arm it waves commands to have me killed. It comes to me in dreams and it declares I'm Joan of Arc. You can burn me, but I've power from above. But I fear it's not a dream and you'll be swallowed in its darkness. It will one day speak your words for you, my love. And now that you've gone deaf to every word that I could say, I'm reaching out the only way you'll hear. I beg into a microphone for you to turn my way, and with my voice on wax, my body disappears. So play me on your phonograph and swear that I'll be yours, though your heart and voice can never more be one. Just drag that needle on me as I spin my loving course, dreaming only of your kiss. All the charms of yours I miss,